Hello class, my name is Coley Brown. I'm actually really enjoying this nutrition class, number one. Um, so this week's assignment was about picking one of the three macronutrients, which is fat, um, protein, and carbohydrates. Um, and I seen a lot of different like carbohydrates and protein, but for some reason I wanted to veer over towards um, fats. Now, fats are also known as lipids, which we have known since quite some time. Um, Now, as far as the macronutrients, to my research, I understood that um, the macronutrients are needed in um, a large volume of it. So, um, I would say that with fats, excuse me, sorry, with fats, there is three different types. Which I know learned that it's very complicated. So there is trans fats, there's saturated fats, and then there was unsaturated fats. Um, and I guess I'll start from the top. Now, as far as fats go, it was very important to have fats in your diet because not only does it um, help keep structure, and it's also a source of energy and a component in the cell walls. Also, the when your body makes, or excuse me, when your body breaks down the enzymes to take the essential fatty acids that the body cannot make on its own. Also, I learned that it was not only use that fat for insulation, and it protects your organs as well. So to break it down, there is, like I said, three different um, sorts of fats. So for saturated fat, I learned that it came mainly from animal sources, um, like tropical oils, things of that nature. Um, then there is trans fat, which it should be avoided at all costs. It raises the cholesterol. Um, and then there is the unsaturated, which also, so the unsaturated fat um, comes from like fish, nuts, vegetable oil, things a healthy diet does need. Um, but back to, so there is the saturated, which is comes processed. Um, but like I seen in someone else's video, too much of anything isn't healthy for you. So you have to have the right amount. I've seen that it was said to do or to intake between 20% to 35%, which is 35% would be on the higher, um, the higher end of how much you're supposed to truly take in. Um, So there's many things, which I've already said, the insulating the body, protecting organs, protecting the source of energy. Um, but as far as the good and bad, you have to have a good amount of fat to regulate your diet, but as well as there is, where you overeat, or, you know what I mean, like as far as trans fat, which is no good because it raises your cholesterol and lowers your good cholesterol, which is two different things. Um, but I also read that there is the trans fatty acids, um, unsaturated fatty acids. So, like I said, there's more. It can be complicated because it's more than what it is with with the regular definitions. So, well, thank you for watching my video.